Here's a quick intro to this PhET simulation, the Energy Skate Park, the basics one. Some of the things you want to kind of fool around with it and try out different things, but a few things that would help you get started is you just pick up the skater and place the skater wherever you want, and then hit the button down here and the skater will perform. Okay, all the other buttons around here make sense and don't need a lot of explanation. One of the things you might want to play with is the mass of the skater, from making the skater much larger to making the skater much smaller. You can graph the kinetic and potential energy of the skater by turning on the pie chart or a bar chart. You can measure a little bit more carefully where the skater's ramp starts and stops. And you can turn on a speedometer, which is kind of cool. You can also change the ramp by clicking over here. You have to replace your skater. Whoa, we just went off stage. We can bring the skater back with the red button. And the green button. We can try an entirely different approach. We can also come down here and click on the playground. The playground is a ramp that you can build yourself. And in this case, I'm going to make this one go away. And you can drag pieces up there, grab it by the center one, and then you can move things around, kind of experiment and see how that works. Connect it up, move it around. And for those of you that have done some online design, you'll recognize these as Bezier curves, which are kind of strange, but cool. Okay, so now there are two other things you might want to look at. You have two buttons here. You can see what they do. And I'm going to go ahead and place my skater up here. Whoa! Okay, that's interesting. So you might want to mess around a little bit with some of the controls to see how you can keep that from happening. Or maybe you want it to happen. If we put our skater up here, and then we try this button here, interesting. So that's a brief look at the Energy Skate Park basics. Play around with it for a bit and have some fun. You can modify anything in the playground. Friction we're not really going to get into this week, but we probably will next week. And you can kind of experiment with that. So, I will see you later in the lessons. Thanks for watching.